Okay.
Madam Mayor, Mr. Gridley, a legal question for you. Is this litigation?
Yes.
And so what differentiates litigation, which would be someone hiring an attorney and filing a lawsuit, which I think, and I don't know legal stuff, so I know you have to go to court and you get like a number or something that says, you know, you're taking this to court and therefore, you know, it's on the docket. I'm sorry, my knowledge of the legal system is limited to television. So
it's a lawsuit that's been filed.
Okay.
It's going to a court, in this case a judge, not a jury, to be adjudicated, to be determined. And again, we have an adversarial process where someone who opposes what we seek through the courts has lodged an objection and has entered an appearance as an adversarial party.
So this is under advisement by Judge Luster, which means the ball's really in his court.
Yes.
And so that meets the technical qualifications for litigation then?
Sure.
Okay. I'm just sure, because I mean the way you were talking before, I could interpret it as if Steve hired a lawyer and they were suing us, like the sewer thing. If I hired a lawyer and I had to sue you,
You don't need to hire a lawyer to be adverse.